Hello, I am a Bullis Student Tutor, and in this video, we will be talking about run-on sentences. So what is a run-on sentence? Run-on sentences are when two independent clauses, which are just sentences, are incorrectly connected. Run-on sentences are usually unclear, they do not flow, and usually don't make any sense. So how to avoid them? Well, when we want to avoid them, we should ask ourselves two questions. Can it be two sentences? And can I split it up into two sentences without rearranging the words? So in a run-on sentence, punctuation is usually important for either fixing it or for recognizing them. So an incorrect placement of a comma is what a run-on sentence usually is. So if a comma is not after one of these words in fanboys, which are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, it is most likely in the wrong place and might be disturbing a sentence. Semicolons, on the other hand, can help fix run-on sentences, since they're used when an idea isn't fully over and the sentences relate to one another. So let's look at some examples right now. I love reading books all day long. I read at least 3 books a week. As you can tell, that was a really long sentence and it was just a mouthful. So this sentence can be split up into two sentences because there's two independent clauses, which are I love to read books all day and I can read 3 books a week. Another example is today I went to the beach and it was the best day of my life. I got to sit in the sun and read my favorite book. As you can see here, I just stumbled over my words. So we can split this up into two. Today I went to the beach, semicolon, it was the best day of my life, because those are two different ideas, but still relate to one another. And then I got to sit in the sun and read my favorite book. So that's another sentence as well. So as I mentioned in the previous slide here, I said the point of it, I mentioned an independent clause. So the point in an independent clause in a sentence is that it can stand on its own without extra fluff, a subject or verb. So no need for more than one subject and verb. So you should make a new sentence. So that's why you should be splitting independent clauses and not keeping them together. So once you know how to find a run-on sentence, it is easy to avoid. Again, always ask yourself, can this sentence be split up into two and still make sense? And then you will be perfectly fine with writing all your essays and all your papers without a run-on sentence. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out other videos on our channel.